This is like the best thing ever because I love to cook so much.
Culinary Arts is a unique program because every day we're creating something new. The class is fast-paced, hands-on, and it's excellent for students who like to work with their hands and be on their feet and moving rather than sitting in a desk.
It's such a fun time and it just made me love high school again.
It's teaching me stuff that I would be learning in college, and you get to experience like what it's like working in a kitchen.
We are very lucky to have a partnership with Delaware North. Students are given unique experiences cooking for thousands of people at the New Era Field and the KeyBank Center. Additionally, the Culinary Arts curriculum has been accredited by the American Culinary Federation, which is a professional organization of chefs.
I will recommend Culinary Arts to others because it's just a fun, hands-on program.
And we have a great time, and it's not like you're actually at school, it's like you're hanging out with a bunch of friends and just cooking for fun.